सालों से हम देख रहे हैं स्पाई थ्रिलर्स में देयर आर एजेंट्स फाइटिंग एजेंट्स, सीक्रेट्स आर देयर, सैबोटाज हो रहा है, द डिप्लोमेसी इज गोइंग ऑन काइंड ऑफ द बैकग्राउंड, बट यू मिक्स ऑल ऑफ दिस एंड यू गेट अ फिल्म लाइक दिस. हाय, I'm Pratiksha Mishra and you're listening to my review of Ulaj. The film's name Ulaj suggests कि हमें ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स मिलने वाले हैं जो कहीं ना कहीं उलझने वाले हैं. They'll have to kind of figure out their way out of some situations. The main character who has to deal with this kind of conundrum is Janhvi Kapoor's character Suhana Bhatia. Suhana Bhatia is right now reeling from just this massive success where she has become the youngest deputy high commissioner for India and इसके लिए उनको लंदन शिफ्ट होना पड़ता है. अब प्रॉब्लम इस बात का है उनको जॉब से ज्यादा स्ट्रेस अपनी लेगेसी का है बिकॉज हर फैमिली, उनके पापा, उनके दादा सबके सब काफी इंपॉर्टेंट रह चुके हैं in just the world of diplomacy for India. So she has this kind of pressure to perform, to kind of be worthy of the Bhatia name, a pressure that has both come from her father kind of withholding affection and also from just everything that she feels inwardly. So ये उनका main stress है starting में, but soon things start to go haywire. मूवी में एक टाइम है जहां her father tells her कि as a diplomat or as someone working in diplomacy, often times she will just be faced with wrong decisions और उनको ये चुनना होगा कि दोनों गलत में से कम गलत कौन सा है. इस फिल्म का बिगेस्ट स्ट्रेंथ इज इट्स प्रेमिस. जैसे कि मैंने पहले कहा था, जब हम स्पाई थ्रिलर्स देखते हैं यूजुअली वी सी दीज एजेंट्स फाइटिंग अदर एजेंट्स और जो सारी डिप्लोमेसी है वो शायद स्टोरी के साइड में हो रही है और वाइस वर्सा. यहाँ पे वी आर सीइंग अ डिप्लोमैट हु इजंट एसेंशियली काइंड ऑफ ट्रेन्ड इन कॉम्बैट ट्राइंग टू फेस ऑफ अगेंस्ट समवन हु इज ट्रेन्ड इन कॉम्बैट एंड ऑल्सो शी इज ट्राइंग टू just move away from the prying eyes of everyone around her. The film does touch upon a little bit of how her identity as a woman affects her job, क्योंकि उनको जब ये प्रमोशन मिलता है, sure, people are going to doubt it because she's very, very young, but a lot of people also doubt it because she's a woman, and the kind of conversations that you would expect where people wrongly and kind of problematically assume that a woman can only advance in her career if she's doing favors for people, that tends to happen. One thing is that the film doesn't really explore that kind of nuance a lot, but that's true for a lot of other things in this film as well. क्योंकि the screenplay, while being focused on its premise, does seem a little bit rushed. So जो characters के बाकी arcs हैं, just the kind of things that make these characters, वो हमें ज़्यादातर देखने को नहीं मिलता है. This also affects the film in a way because जो हमारा main antagonist है, very interesting because it's played by Gulshan Devaiya and he's a brilliant performer. But since वो layers थोड़े absent है, you kind of feel like that entire character becomes a little lackluster. Speaking of performances, Janhvi Kapoor as Suhana Bhatia does a pretty decent job. This might not be her best performance क्योंकि कहीं पे since एक बहुत complex character है, there are parts where she has to switch between moods very, very quick and this has to be seamless, but in some places it doesn't feel that seamless. But as a whole, as an entire character, she plays the role really well, especially in the moments where she has to kind of emote silently, where we're seeing this character go through this entire journey and this entire kind of stages of grief essentially. That is done pretty well. Gulshan Devaiya, like I said, always a brilliant performer, but यहाँ पे since उनके character में वो थोड़ा सा lackluster हो जाता है, we see more of Gulshan Devaiya the performer than the character on screen, but again not complaining a lot because look at the actor. एक और एक्टर जिस पर से आपकी नजर ही नहीं हटेगी इज रोशन मैथ्यूज कैरेक्टर. दिस इज एन एक्टर हु जस्ट हैज दिस काइंड ऑफ एफर्टलेस चार्म ऑन स्क्रीन. तो वो जो भी प्ले करते हैं इज जस्ट फन टू सी. आई ऑल्सो लाइक द अटेंशन टू डिटेल इन दिस फिल्म व्हेन इट कम्स टू एक्सेंट्स एंड लैंग्वेजेस, क्योंकि व्हेन समवन गेट्स एंग्री और फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, हाउ आर दे गोइंग टू इमोट, व्हाट लैंग्वेज आर दे गोइंग टू यूज, विल समवन हु इज प्रोफिशिएंट इन एक्सेंट्स हैव अ सर्टेन स्लिप अप. ऑल ऑफ दिस इज वेरी वेल एक्सप्लोर्ड इन द फिल्म. इस फिल्म की सबसे बड़ी खासियत ये भी है कि जो एक्चुअल राइटिंग है ऑफ द स्पाई थ्रिलर, द ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न्स are actually very interesting. और यही एक बात है, when it comes to a spy thriller, the worst thing that film can be is boring. The film could be badly written, the film could be badly performed, but एक spy thriller को actually अपने घुटनों पे ले आता है ये बात कि वो boring हो. This film isn't. It's actually really, really engaging. But to be fair, this isn't the best spy thriller out there. We have things like The Family Man to watch, but still, I think you should definitely give this a shot. फिल्म का अगर सबसे बड़ा फ्लॉ कुछ है वो है इसका डायलॉग. In a film like this, जहाँ पे already character depth थोड़ा कम है, your dialogues need to be effective. They need to kind of at least elicit some emotion, क्योंकि आपको ये emotional arc उन characters में से नहीं मिल रहा है. You're shocked, sure. They have twists and turns. You're mesmerized a little bit by the storytelling, but the dialogues always feel a little jarring. और ये आपको उस universe से बार-बार खींच के बाहर ले आता है. And also there is a bit of humanity absent in the way they're interacting with each other, again because the dialogues don't feel very well thought out. So I guess Ulaj is this kind of unique film viewing experience where you're both happy with the pacing because it's very interesting. वो खट scene by scene it's working, but you still wish कि कहीं पे थोड़ा ज़्यादा space दिया होता, थोड़ा silence होता to kind of let the story seep in, because they're trying their best, they're trying their hardest to keep you engaged, but you need, even in this engagement, some space for yourself as an audience. It also helps that the film's technical aspects are very strong. चाहे वो camera work हो, editing हो, production हो, all of that is working for the film. And also, it's Sudhanshu Saria. He's a very good director and he has a very brilliant cast to work with. There's Rajesh Tailang, there's Chang, jinka I have just been a huge fan since I was a child itself. And I don't think we give him enough credit for how good of an actor he is. Just the kind of restraint that he uses in his performance. वो अगर किसी room से कहीं और देख भी रहे हैं ना, you know what this person is thinking. And that is really good skill. So to be fair, Ulaj might not be like the best spy thriller out there. It's also not the best script out there. But at the end of the day, it was engaging and I wanted to know कि आगे इनकी जिंदगी में क्या होने वाला है. Despite all the kind of loopholes and plot points that could have been easily done away with, I was still very much curious कि okay, सुहाना भाटिया की जिंदगी यहाँ से कहाँ जाएगी. And that in itself is, like I said, a feat. And that is why my rating for Ulaj is 3 stars out of 5.